morning, you guys. Today we're gonna be making some homemade vanilla extract. It is so easy. It takes 2 ingredients. That is it, with a little bit of patience. And you guys, have you ever had homemade vanilla extract? It is amazing. Like, it is so much better than any of the store-bought stuff that you buy, because sometimes they have synthetics. They're not using anything real, like real vanilla beans. Now, these can also make great gifts for your upcoming holidays, and it is just so good. Once you start making them, I'm telling you, you are gonna get addicted to making them. Y'all, I'm so excited to share it with you today. I'm serious, like, it's only 2 ingredients and that's it. And it's so much more cost effective to do it this way. All of your baked goods are going to taste so much better because it's with this homemade vanilla extract, which is like a whole nother level. So what you're gonna need is some vanilla beans. I bought these at Costco. You can order them off of Amazon. I do suggest getting the Madagascar beans. That's just what I've used previously and it's worked really good. These were at Costco and you got 2 of them. This is what the package looks like right here. Can't remember how many ounces it is. Let's see. There is 10 count beans in these, so we are gonna have to weigh them because there is like called a fold that you have to use. You're also gonna need a glass jar. I bought this one actually at the Dollar Tree, so for $1.25, it's got this swing top bottle right here. It opens like this, and these work really good. I also use these for my homemade kombucha. I've also heard people use bourbon or even whiskey, so it's kind of your choice. Just make sure it's about like 80% proof. So to make our vodka, we're gonna need 1 ounce of vanilla bean per 1 ounce of vodka. So we're gonna go ahead and measure that out. Now I am using a funnel. Let's go ahead and measure 10 ounces of our vodka. All right, y'all. Oh, those smell so good. So we're gonna take all of our beans out. Oh, I like this little thing. I bet I could use that for something else. And then what you're gonna do is we are gonna split these vanilla beans in half. Just take your knife and run it down. That kind of exposes all of the insides, and that's what's really gonna give the flavor. Some people don't do this, so it's up to you if you wanna do it or not. I think it makes the vanilla a little bit quicker. So we're just gonna open these up here, just to kind of expose the insides. And some people even chop theirs up, but I find this works just as well and less messy. And then all you're gonna do is take your vanilla beans and put them inside your bottle. It's so easy. Like I said, y'all, this is like great Christmas gifts, unique homemade Christmas gifts. And then all you're gonna do is pop this on like this. Okay, and then you wanna just give it a good, nice little shake every couple, like once every couple weeks. That's all you do. It's so easy. Now let me show y'all one that I did about 4 months ago. This one right here, I did about 4 months ago, and look how dark it is. Now I just go in there every once in a while when I think about it and just dip it over like that. How you know it's ready is you're gonna smell it. If you still smell that alcohol smell in it, you know it's not quite ready. So just keep it in there. Like I said, it can take anywhere from 6 to 12 months for it to be ready. So I can definitely smell this one is not ready. And then I like to just put the date on it right here with the Sharpie, and then put it in a nice dark cool space for about 6 to 12 months, and there you go. You've got some vanilla extract. That's it. Bye-bye.